What's up, everybody? So there's something interesting you may want to know about that's inside these hair dryers. There is some interesting material that you may want to use for one of your projects. So anyhow, I hope the video camera's mounted okay. I'm trying out a tripod that I just got, and I'm not sure how it's gonna go. All right, there we go. So, here's your hair dryer. Basically an empty box, right? Got your switch. I don't know what that is. And then in there is your heating element. Well, what we're interested in, oh, that came out part easily, is this heating element here. Look at that. And these things are so cheap, right? I mean, even brand new, I think you can get a hairdryer for, I want to say under 10 bucks even today. But you can certainly find these used for pennies, right? Anyway, this wire here, this is what we're interested in. Alright. And just peel off a section of this here. I want to say, I think they call this nichrome, something like that. It's similar to a light bulb filament, okay? It's basically what it does, but a light bulb filament will be destroyed very rapidly in air. Let's see. We don't need a very big piece. This handy car battery here. Alright, hopefully I can see this on the camera okay. Oh, I don't have this hooked up. My bad. Alright, that would be helpful, right? Okay, hopefully you can see this. Not sure if it's real easy to see. Woo! That's a hot potato. Did you miss it? I'll do it again. So, if you need a wire to ignite something, this is where you get it from. Anyway, there you go. That's your heating element wire, and you get a lot of it in a very cheap hairdryer. Anyway, hope you enjoyed.